Hey, what is going on everybody? Welcome to 2022, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can record your iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 screen completely free without having to download any third-party apps. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so as I said before, it is pretty simple. Okay, so the first thing you want to do on your iPhone is to go to the settings. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down until you find Control Center. It should be right below the general settings. Inside the Control Center, you have a lot of options, so scroll down and find screen recording, and there's an add icon right next to it. All you have to do is to press and add screen recording into your Control Center by pressing that green add icon, and there you go, it is added, as you can see. By the way, you can also reposition, that's a later story. Anyways, once the screen recording is added, just go to swipe down to open the Control Center, and as you can see at the bottom, you can see the screen recording option is available now. So just click on it and it should automatically screen record your iPhone in 3 seconds, and we are recording the screen. Well, pretty simple, right? By the way, if you want to stop this screen recording, all you have to do is press the red icon on top left corner, and it's going to ask you to stop recording. And once you click on stop recording, it should automatically save that recording inside your photos. Pretty simple, right? Alright, so now you can find that recording inside your photos. Pretty simple, right? Well, that's pretty much it. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe. That's it for the video, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace out.